Hi Aquarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Aquarius. Let us see what is coming up, guys. I'll be picking few cards from each deck, guys. Man. Clouds. So with these cards, Aquarius, you are in certain kinds of confusions over something. This may relate to your work or in your relationship, guys. So some things are not going right for you. You are really feeling sad because of that. You need to pay close attention to your situation. So certain challenges are there in your life, guys, and you are what to say, you need clarity regarding something. Maybe some of you all are what to say, suddenly come up with some kind of confusion. People may be trying to use you, guys. They may be what to say, trying to use your ideas and efforts, and they may be taking the credit. They may be the ones who are benefiting from it. So you may feel that you are feeling very tired, sick and tired, your energy drained, and you feel people are robbing you of your efforts for some of you all. So you are losing your health and confidence because of that, you feel, and you're feeling really confused and sad, guys. That is also the energy here. Surely there are certain challenges. This may be regarding this relationship. This person is not what they are, what they seem to be. They are something different. So you need what to say, you are feeling defeated, at loss. You are losing, you feel that you have wasted your time and energy on this person, and you are feeling trouble because of that, that is also the energy here, guys. And maybe for some of you all, just like I said, this person is not true to you. They may have a focus on something else. They may want to use you for your status. Maybe they are there with you so to benefit from certain things, maybe financially or some other benefits. So they are just there for the benefits, not for the true love. So that may also be the energy here with these cards, guys. So let us see what is coming up with the other cards. I'll be picking one card from the other deck, guys. What is coming up with the other card? Five of Swords. So just like I said, you are feeling that loss, some kind of a sense of defeat in your situation. Something is going towards destruction and degradation. You are feeling really, what to say, bad because of that, guys. Something has come and attacked your fortune. That is what you feel today. And maybe, guys, this may be regarding your situation in your work or in this relationship. So let us see what the angels are guiding us with today, Aquarius. I'll be picking one card from the angel deck. Step into light. So we do not what to say, guys, remain in darkness always. So there will come a time when there is light, there is also darkness, and then there is darkness, there is also light. So we need to understand that, and we need to move forward with our life. So when we accept that, when there are trying times in our life, there will also be happy times ahead. So today we may see certain things that make us feel sad, make us feel defeated and at loss, but tomorrow we will just come out of these confusing and threatening days like a shining sun. So you need to understand that it or this stress or confusion is part of a journey in our life to make us understand certain things in our life, guys. So when you think of these trials in such a way, you will see the bright light that is coming towards you. So that is what the angels are guiding us with, Aquarius. So thank you for watching this video, guys, and that is the reading for you all today. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Aquarius.